What is up, everyone? Today I will be showing how to actually crash your Scratch. This might sound funny, but I will actually crash my Scratch. So let's say this is my sprite, and then I go here to control, I put repeat, and here I will put 99999. I will just spam. I will literally just spam this, guys. So this is, as you can see, it is kind of long. So that is our repeat button. And now we go to sounds, and okay, I will just delete this, and then I'll go here, choose a sound, and let's go to wacky, and let's go and put this, or let's go and put this one. That is right. This is what you just heard, guys. So we are going to be putting this sound into my Scratch. So let's actually just get here into code, and now we've got here in sounds, we've got play sound to sneeze to until done. So we just repeat this, and let's put events when this sprite is, or when, hey, whoa, what did I just do? Okay, technical difficulties. Okay, so I'll just put repeat again. You know, the basic 9999999. I do not know why this just, I don't know, disappeared for a moment. Okay, that's good. Or else my PC's gonna crash. Yo, what happened? Yo. Okay, now I will actually just put this here. Okay, come on, go. Yo, I can't believe this. This is so funny. Okay, so when this sprite is clicked, then it will play this sneeze sound until done. So let's take a look at this, everyone. That is what it's gonna sound like.